Huh? What? What's up, everybody? Right back off that last video. If you're enjoying the content, make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe button, smash that notification bell. I drop videos pretty much every day, if not a couple a day. Definitely a channel you ain't gonna want to sleep on. See if we can find us some diapers and shit. What were you saying?
I was telling you what you call it.
Oh.
Your eyes on the pump the blood vessel. Oh yeah, that felt good. That's not really gonna feel good later though.
Huh? Yes, sir. It's nice out, dude. Very nice. Too hot, ain't too cold. There'll be a lot of stuff here. Nope. I only had one this time. Hey, you're just running out of stuff to throw away. Should be by now.
You know?
You know? No, I don't know. I know they got a lot of stuff.
I know that too. Not anymore, gonna do it all away.
We took half of it to the landfill. We're putting up something, look. You just hit Liam in the head. I just hit Liam in the head. I'm just kidding.
Almost in the lab. How do you think that?
Did you pee on yourself? You didn't rip your pants again, did you?
No.
Okay. Ran out of jeans.
Yeah, use them all.
We're gonna find you some more.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I don't know. I used them all this week. I used one on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Alright, yeah.
That's the car over.
I'm watching this guy. There it is. Right. I don't trust them half the time they have their turn signal on. I don't even believe half people even know what a turn signal is.
Hey.
It only is what you make it to be. Alright. Almost left Liam.
I see how you are.
Almost left Liam. We wanted to see how fast he was.
Trying to leave me behind. See if I can find my way.
I guess that's the new You got me, partner. All right, guys, gonna do it for this one. See you in the next one.